Hi there, welcome to my channel. Those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. And this is kind of part 3 to my chicken coop build. Okay, I've set it outside and I'm going to get the chickens in there and you're going to get to see their reaction. Okay, so I'm just going to fill it up with some chips, and then I'm going to go get them and bring them to the coop. Okay. Opened up there. There's one knot here. Wow. I'm going to get some inside the layer boxes here. Sure doesn't take much in here compared to the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to put them in here so that way they can get used to it. So now I'm going to go get the chickens. Oh, first I got to put the ramp. There. So that's holding open by itself. I'm going to have to get a rope and tie it. Okay. Wow, we really don't like getting in the keys. I'm going to let it in here. Okay, so I have them in the box. These guys didn't want to come out. Not used to it, huh? Okay, let's go see them in their new habitat. See what they're doing. Oh, they're peeking at the door. Wow, what's going on? They're all peeking at doors. I think they don't want to go out of the box. Let's take a look over here. going on? What's going on? Yeah, they're new chickens. They only have, I don't know, 3-4 months maybe. Okay, for those who haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. I wonder what they're doing here. Oh, it's a boo.